Hello everyone, I am Rebecca Nirmal from Poonol Silks. Now we will show you tops in the collection. Cotton simple tops. We will show some this is a brick shade color. Again, wooden buttons. Design and lining provided. The price is 699 euro top in the price. Pinna euro top. This jeans pair top. Sleeveless euro top. This is an ash shade. Designs and color changes. This black shade, white leaf designs. Again, a brick red shade. Indigo blue shade. Olive green. And the prices are 699. This is a crop top. A shirt design. A crop top. A black shade. This is a saree blouse side pair. A black saree or red sarees pair. Wooden buttons provided and the price was 649. This again tops work this slit provided back this dress item use leggings use and in the price was 899. In the pala shades brick red shade ash color green shade and in the prices were 899. Now, we will products web through purchase WhatsApp purchase the available and this is cotton material tops set and support thank you so much.